Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a reputable auto clicker and granting accessibility or overlay permissions so taps register reliably. Once done, open Grow a Garden and position the area you want automated. You then set an initial interval of 100 to 300 ms and create a single-point tap sequence. Make sure to test with 10 clicks to confirm placement. This gets you into the process quickly, because correct permissions and a calibrated first tap avoid wasted time later and teach you the tool's responsiveness. Once the first tap works, expand to multi-point sequences for planting, harvesting, and menu navigation. Place taps in order and lock coordinates. Then create loops and set repeat counts to match in-game timers so actions don't overlap. Make sure to stagger intervals. For fast interactions, use 50-150 ms, and for menu delays, use 300-500 ms, because pacing mimics human behavior and reduces errors. Also save a profile for this routine, so you can load it quickly next session and tweak without rebuilding sequence. You begin runs when Grow a Garden is idle and monitor battery, CPU, and in-game behavior to ensure stability. Once finished, stop the clicker and disable overlays before closing the game to prevent stuck inputs. Export or save your profile and note effective intervals for later. If clicks fail, first enable accessibility or overlay permissions, then increase the interval slightly and reposition points to account for UI shifts. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most registration issues quickly and keeps your automation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.